Planning to travel abroad. Don't let language barriers stop you. In this video, we'll teach you essential English every traveler must know. Fast, practical, and super useful. Let's go. Section 1. At the airport. Here are phrases you'll use at the airport. 1. Where is the check-in counter? Where is the check-in counter? 2. Can I see your passport? Can I see your passport? 3. Do you have any luggage to check in? Do you have any luggage to check in? 4. What is the boarding gate number? What is the boarding gate number? 5. Is this the line for security check? Is this the line for security check? Tips. If you're confused, just ask. Excuse me, can you help me? Section 2. At the hotel. Checking into a hotel, use these. 1. I have a reservation under your name. Like this, I have a reservation under Steve. 2. Can I check in now? Can I check in now? 3. Do you have Wi-Fi? Do you have Wi-Fi? 4. Can I have a wake-up call at 7 a.m.? Can I have a wake-up call at 7 a.m.? 5. Is breakfast included? Is breakfast included? Pro tip. Always ask politely. Just say please and thank you. Section 3. Eating out. At restaurants, say 1. Table for 2, please. Table for 2, please. 2. Can I see the menu? Can I see the menu? 3. I'm allergic to peanuts. I'm allergic to peanuts. 4. I'll have the chicken sandwich, please. I'll have the chicken sandwich, please. 5. Can we split the bill? Can we split the bill? If you don't understand the menu, ask this. What do you recommend? Section 4. Getting around. Need directions. These phrases help. 1. How do I get to place? Example. How do I get to station? 2. Is this the train to downtown? Is this the train to downtown? 3. Can I get a taxi here? Can I get a taxi here? 4. How much is the fare? How much is the fare? 5. Please stop here. Please stop here. Tips. Use maps and translation apps if needed. Section 5. Shopping and emergency. Shopping or facing a problem. 1. How much is this? How much is this? 2. Do you accept credit cards? Do you accept credit cards? 3. Where is the nearest pharmacy? Where is the nearest pharmacy? 4. I lost my passport. I lost my passport. 5. Call the police, please. Call the police, please. Always know how to say, help me, please, and I don't speak English well. Section final. Tips and wrap-up. Here's what you should remember. Always smile. Kindness is universal. Learn key phrases before your trip. Speak clearly and slowly. Traveling is easier when you speak a little English. Practice makes perfect. Like this video? Hit the like button, share it with your travel buddy, and subscribe for more practical English tips. Bon voyage!